Your Shape software comes with holidays already pre-built for you, as well as triggers set up so that when those holidays roll around, your clients can receive emails. To manage your holidays, you'll want to navigate to your settings, scroll down on the left-hand side, and find Manage Holidays under Preferences. Once there, you'll see all of the holidays that we've already set up for you. But if you'd like to add a holiday, you'll click Add Holiday in the top right-hand corner. From there, you'll title your holiday, and then choose if it's a specific date or a day. For a specific date, you'll just enter that date. For the day, you'll select when. So if it's every first, second, third, or last, what day of the week it falls on, and what month it occurs in. Once you do this, you can then also set up triggers. These triggers can send out communications to your clients so that when that holiday rolls around, they can receive an email or an SMS. To get this set up, I'll go ahead and show you one that we've already set up for you. So your trigger type is going to be holidays. You'll then choose the holiday that you created in the Manage Holiday section. Your action type will be send email or send SMS. And then you'll choose the template that you create in your email templates or SMS templates settings page. And you can choose a delay. You can choose to have it send out at a specific time, like we do at 9 a.m. and then save. If you have any questions regarding your Manage Holidays and how to get them set up or how to set up the triggers, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com.